Hello and welcome. You're joining for another episode of Qrio podcast series. And today is our very first episode. We are so excited to kicking things off with you. And today we have a special guest joining us, Sehani Chathurangi. And she's a passionate software quality assurance engineer who built the entire QA process from scratch at her startup. And she's also a Cypress Ambassador and will be speaking at Cypress Conference 2025 about starting your test automation journey and also the bug bash guest speaker. So we are excited to hear about QA journey and advice for the anyone looking to grow in this field. Shani, welcome.
Yeah, thank you for having me, and I'm happy to be here. And also, as you mentioned, Sachin, I start out my career as manual testing, and I gradually moved to the automation. So I had opportunity to build a QA process since the ground up, and also I built the Cypress custom framework automation from scratch, and also I had love to help other people to start their career as a QA, and especially for who are moving manual to automation. So I'm excited to here today to share my experience.
Yeah. So Shani, the very first thing for someone watching who's interesting, what's the best way to get started? Is computer science degrees really necessary?
Not at all. The computer science degree may be helpful for them, but it is not necessary. So, in the QA field, have always been a fantastic gateway in tech person from diverse backgrounds. So, I met some brilliant testers who were former teachers and graphic designers. So, if anyone would like to enter the QA industry, I would like to you should start from fundamental like software development life cycle, type of testing, and the basic things of the quality assurance, and what is web, what is app, what is API, and what are the difference of the front end and back end, all other things. So now we have free resources like YouTube, LinkedIn, and community blog, so anyone can refer about anything in this world. So, and the second things I think build a portfolio. It may be a small project or a testing contribution, so that will be help to stand out. And the third thing is quality mindset. It is an important thing. So we should focus on the user experience than the tester. So the tester should be an analytical thinker. So they should able to break the complex system, and they should think about how it will be break like this. And I think the another most important thing is communication. So it is the most important thing for QA. So if we report a bug, if cannot understand about what is this, it will not be fixed. So communication also a most important things. And Sachin, there's an optional thing, it is not necessary. So if anyone can follow ISTQB foundation exam, so it will be helpful for them. It will cover all the basic things, and it evaluate your knowledge also. So I think those things should cover. You should be a QA.
QA has evolved so much over the years. So, what new trends are you seeing sharpening the role right now? Are there any specific tool or practices you think are becoming must-have?
Yeah, the QA role now shifting from finding bugs to preventing bugs now. So now the QAs are involved in the early in the development cycle, not in the final gateway. So it's help to reduce the risk and reduce the cost, and also prevent the bugs in earlier. So nowadays testing integrated with the CI/CD pipeline, so in automated run in every code changes, so it's also help to prevent early bugs. So shift left in test is the most important thing, because the QA should involve in the early in the stages. I think it is the most important trends. And also AI in testing also important in nowadays, so we can generate test cases from user stories, and also we can do visual perform testing like a screenshot, and they can detect some pixel level bugs that human might miss. So those two trends can shape the QA role, I think.
Yeah, talking about the AI is such a hot topic nowadays. So, do you think it will impact QA careers in the upcoming years?
This is $1 million question. So my answer is no. The QA role will not be vanish or disappear, but it will transform dramatically. It might be. So I think we should see about the AI not as a replacement. It will be just a powerful tool in testers toolbox. So AI can automate repetitive tasks and pattern-based automations, but testers need critical thinking, analytical thinking, empathy, and what to test, what not to test, and more important things. And the most important thing is user experience. Is does this feature is good like this? So I think AI cannot judge elegance or frustrations.
Yeah, so if the role isn't vanishing, so how do you see the career evolving for the next generations?
Yeah, I think the future will be more bright who adapt. So I think there will be high demand as a QA for some cases. The first thing is I think technical proficiency. You need to strong programming skill to automate automation framework and integrate to the CI/CD pipeline. And the important thing, you have to understand how I use this AI model efficiently. And the second thing is data analysis skills, I think. So the future QA will need to analyze test result, error patterns, and flakiness metrics to make a data driven decision to product quality. And the third thing is the most important thing, I think it is the domain expertise. So the AI cannot see that part, so you can see it. I think it is the most important part again. And the fourth thing is performance and security testing. You should have some basic knowledge about performance and security testing. Yeah, those are the things I think.
Yeah, so for those watching who are just starting out, or even the seasoned testers feeling unsure about the AI, so what's your one piece of advice?
Continuously learning. You should continuously learning and adaptable. So don't think about just AI is a trend. Think about it is an opportunity. So the core QA like critical thinking and the passion about finding bugs and breaking things, it's valuable for you QA. So the tools will be updated by day, but the future belongs to adaptable.
Yeah, so and the many manual testers want to move into the automation. So, what would you suggest as the best way to get started?
Yeah, I think you should start like small. First, you have to pick a tool. So, I am suggesting Cypress because it is easy to use and easy to learn, and there's a community. Always, Cypress community will help you. If you have any doubt and issue, you can ask. They will always help you. They will help me, and I also like to help others. And there is well documentation in Cypress, so I suggest Cypress as the start to automations. And also after you in comfortable zone, you can do API testing and integrate to DevOps tool. Yeah, you can start like this.
Yeah, so and for the final, so I heard there an exciting Cypress event coming up. So, can you share the little information with our audience?
Yeah, the Cypress conference is ongoing now. So I will be there also on the 24th of October. I will be share my journey, how to kickstart the automation journey, zero to confident level. So you can join with us and learn how to start your automation. So I invite you to all to join with me in Cypress Conference also.
Yeah, Sehani, thank you so much for joining us today and sharing your insight, experience, and advices. We are live to having you on the show. And to the audience, we hope to find this episode and inspiring. On this podcast, we are planning to cover all the areas of technology, from the development to design, AI, and the many trends, and everything in between. So there is always something new to learn, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and so you won't miss any future episodes and exciting guests. And catch you on the next episode. Bye.